Hello everyone! Si Corix po ito. Welcome back to my channel. Collaborations, group work, teamwork, minsan masaya, minsan medyo challenging. Minsan may choice, minsan walang choice. Sa episode na to, i-share ko sa inyo isang magandang karanasan ng top songwriters sa bansa. So sa PhilSCAP, the Society of Composers, which I head, nagkaroon kami ng first ever Masters Camp. Kadalasan ay nagbibigay kami ng workshops at mga talks all over the country, lectures, at minsan may mga camps for mga aspiring songwriters given by mga established and respected songwriters. So first time itong ginawa ng PhilSCAP na pinagsama-sama namin ang top composers ng bansa para mag-collaborate at gumawa ng mga kanta. Marami sa kanila may hesitation sa umpisa at marami sa organizer side na may hesitation din sa umpisa. Ako, I had very little hesitation. I was filled with excitement. I knew it was going to work. And I was so excited to bring all these songwriters na iba-iba ang background. I wanted to bring them together. Nung last minute na, ako na yung nasunod at mangyayari na siya, napaisip ako na parang, sabi ko, teka muna, bakit parang lahat sila kinakabahan, ako lang hindi? Honestly, doon na ako kinabahan. Baka meron akong hindi alam. So, I think lahat kami kabado going into that master camp. But from the very first day, we put all these composers together in the rooms to start working. Napatunayan agad namin na walang basihan ang kahit anumang fears at worries namin na ipagsama-sama ang magagaling na songwriters, many of whom are used to writing by themselves. Sa katunayan, marami talagang songwriters sanay magtrabaho na mag-isa. So sa episode na to, umikot tayo at tinanong natin ang mga songwriter kung meron ba silang may bibigay na tips o mga sikreto kung paano maging successful ang isang collaboration. Panoorin po natin.
Dapat mabasa mo rin yung kasama mo kasi and then you have to adjust and kakalimutan mo muna yung sarili mo. Kailangan kung ano yung nakakarami, yun ang iisipin niyo para mas madali ang proseso ng pagsusulat. Live yung rhythm section, parang gano'n. Yes, live tayo. Yes! I love it already.
Ako, ang tip ko lagi, start with a disclaimer. Parang, ito lang naisip ko lang. Never be imposing. Don't walk into a room and be like, yo, I know this shit. No. None of that. Yung bridge, gusto niyo bang ganun na lang siya? Parang mas okay yata ang ganun. Wala na lang words eh.
Pwedeng wheeling nga eh. Experiment.
Dapat ikaw ay fan ng kakolaborate. Kasi kung hindi mo gusto yung kasama mo, definitely magmamanifest yan sa magiging trabaho nyo. And bakit ka naman makikipag-collaborate sa isang tao na sa hindi mo gustong makasama. So definitely, kung meron kang collaboration na kailangan gawin, dapat ang mindset mo ay okay ka sa katrabaho.
Collaboration, dapat marunong kang mag-appreciate ng ginawa ng kasama mo. Ibig sabihin nun, kaysa man na makaisip, hindi naman niya maiisip yung kung hindi kayo nagsama-sama. Kaya pantay-pantay lang.
Dito na yung mas rapid.
Ang importante lang is there's a common goal kung saan pupunta. I mean, aanin mo yung apat na makina pero iba-iba direksyon ng gulong. So, ang maganda, nag-start kami sa idea. Sa initial ng brainstorming, wala mo nang mali. Bato muna, bato-bato, then sulat-sulat, then decide kung ano pipiliin.
Top line is mauuna ang areglo. Kung meron na tayong peg or genre or feel na gusto din, areglo muna.
The challenging part is the beginning. It's also challenging that you know when to put in something and when not to. Sabihin, when somebody already has something good to say and it's really good, don't spoil it anymore with another topic.
Dalawang magkaiba, verse 2 ay ibang tao.
Pwede rin.
Tapos duet yung chorus.
Pwede rin, dalawang tao.
Parang duet ang nagsagutan, sinagot.
Pero sumagot naman yung side ng lalaki.
You must know that you're not doing it alone. And we always need to be mindful about, you know, whoever it is that you're working with, because we're all unique. You know, my mindset is always going to be different from yours.
Songs can be great in many ways. One is arrangement-driven, melody-driven, lyric-driven, or all of the above. No? And sometimes
Attention, di ba? Receptiveness. Yun ang important sa akin sa isang collaboration. You have to be able to be flexible with your perspective. Something na normally hindi mo ginagawa or hindi mo iniisip, pag nanggaling sa iba, bibigyan mo ng chance lagi. That's what I do. Ini-imagine ko siya na mag-work. Kung tingin mo magaling ka talaga, masusubukan kung gaano kagaling ka makinig.
Siyempre, you would want to seek approval from your teammates na hindi mo alam kung ma-approvehan ba nila yan o hindi. Kailangan makaisip ako ng something na maganda or yung may different kind of impact na kapag pinresent mo ganito, oops, okay yan, sige, gamitin natin yan. Yun.
You have to have the mindset of a sharer and a learner. Real masters will never say that they know everything. Let's have an us mindset. We, us, team, and
Kailangan natin ibahin yung sa gabi dito sa next line.
Sa next, okay.
Dilim. Sa gabi.
Dilim.
Pag when you collaborate with anyone, doon pa lang dapat ilagay mo na dapat mo number one na ma-achieve mo is yung maging kayong as one. Parang creating as one. So hindi lang to isang brain, may isa pang brain, may isa pang brain. So lahat yan merong kanya-kanyang way of they know how to create. So you got to respect that and go with it, embrace it, and then pare-pareho kayo dapat respect each other. Kasi dun that will make the thing easy. Pero sir, parang okay. Ayun, ano ba tayo? Di ko malaman kung ano ba tayong dalawa.
Pasok. Okay.
You have to, yung sabi ko kanina, respect the other composer's art. Kailangan mo rin mag-adjust sa kanya kahit pa paano. Kasi siya, he'll do the same thing. He or she will do the same thing sa'yo. So hanggang sa maabot niyo yung point na magkakasundo kayo and you complement each other, bam, that's gonna be great music then.
Pag ganito, pag collaborative, ang mindset dapat, hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung tama. Or hindi laging tama yung idea mo. So, importante na open yung mind mo sa pagtanggap ng ibang ideas, mas magiging madali yung proseso.
Suggestion po, makakalimutan. So dumadalas, pwede bang pumipiglas, gumagalaw ang pusong may kaba? Pumipiglas.
Pumipiglas.
Be prepared dahil hindi lahat ng ideas mo ay ma-accommodate. Ang maganda sa'yo, minsan hindi maganda sa iba. Tanggapin mo yon.
Sa akin ang sisi.
Ayun. Lahat ng mali.
Sa akin ang sisi.
Just be open. Parang, maganda rin po. Ganda po na sinabi niya. Ito, sir, pwede naman po. Pwede naman po. You always come with respect. You say your opinions with respect. Para yung creativity, yung child in us, lahat pwede maglaro. Tapos second. Pwede rin po, no?
Pwede.
Parang sinet up ko na po, parang 8 AM, yung ginising mo ako.
Since it's a collaboration, parang basketball team yan eh, na kailangan you have to work as one full unit.
Kung feeling nyo mahaba with the second verse, tagpirin natin. Mas mabuti ng sobra kaysa kulang.
I think yun lang. I think we should leave the ego out the door and just try and work as a team para makapag-collaborate.
May taw eh.
Oh, ganda yun.
Iatras mo yung sarili mo, ang goal nyo, magandang kanta. So huwag kayo magbilangan ng contribution, di ba? Magbilang ng mga linya, ito, linya ko ito wala, no? The goal is the song is a good song.
Ibig na minsan lang darating. Ganda.
Try to learn. I mean, it doesn't have to be you imposing what you know to the other people. You can actually pick up from these people kasi kung ano man yung sabihin nila sa'yo, may mapupulot ka doon.
To me, collaboration is an exercise in adapting. Yung pinakamagaling mag-adjust ng perspective para makita niya if an idea is worth exploring or pursuing, those are the people who will do well, who really excel. Not just in songwriting, not just in collaborations, but in life in general. Kasi ang life is one big collaboration. You never know what's gonna happen next. Life will always throw you a curveball, hindi yung pinaplano mo, yung hindi mo gusto mangyari. And you'll have no choice but to collaborate with life. It's fun. It's beautiful.